So hello and as always, welcome back to Learning MG. So many of you have been asking me how long does the battery of the actual Apple Watch Ultra last. So first of all, I'm going to put it right here so you can see it. So the Apple Watch Ultra, usually it lasts between 72 hours, I would say 3 to 4 days. So for instance, I haven't charged it in 2 or 3 days and I actually have left 42%. So normally I would say that if you're using it every single day to answer emails, answer WhatsApps, you're using it to run every day, then maybe it would be 2 to 3 days. But in case you're using it like me, or for instance, if I'm going to a meeting, I usually just turn it off, but I turn it off through here. So I just literally turn it off. So that's how I really get to be able to use my Apple Watch so many days of the week. So I usually charge it 2 times per week. So that's pretty much amazing. Compared with the Apple Watch SE or the Apple Watch actual 10 series or 9 series, I would say that's a must of the Apple Watch Ultra. Does it fit in an actual tailor suit? Yes, it actually does. But it is true that for those of you who've got small hands or small wrists, maybe it does look a little bit too chunky for me. I think it looks just like my sub, more or less. Let me know in the comments what you think, and thank you very much for watching.